This 2017 Fiat 500 is brought to you by J&M Auto Sales Inc. This 2017 Fiat Population 500 HP has only 13 miles, is a brand new car with a clean Carfax history, and the previous owner took great care of the vehicle and it shows. The paint looks excellent with a deep glossy shine, and the interior is very clean with no unusual stains or unusual odors. The vehicle was just fully serviced and inspected, everything was up to date, and it comes with $0 deductible nationwide warranty at no cost. Mechanically, this Fiat 500 runs and drives very nice. It starts right up and idles smooth, accelerates and shifts nice, and it drives great at highway speeds, 65 to 70 miles per hour, with no unusual noises, and it drives nice around town as well. It has the 1.4-liter, which not only gets great gas mileage but has proven very dependable over the years. This 2017 Fiat 500 Pop HP comes with power windows, power locks, cruise, air conditioning, alloys, tilt wheel, AM/FM and CD player, manual transmission. This one has it all. Hurry in today. Many more pictures of the vehicle is available. Visit us at jmmotorslebanon.com.